He is from North Karnataka. His son of daily wage worker. They were in Bangalore only. He was studying in primary school. I think he is in third standard.
Right.
If any seizure come from this area, they will have aura of buzzing sensation in the ear, sudden sound in the ear.
In the ear.
So you will be sitting in class like this. Suddenly you will have buzzing sensation in the ear. So what he will do is he will hold like this. He will hold like this, and finally he will fall like this. So teacher thought that he was little bit backward in school. Okay, he was not that much academically good. Teacher thought that we are giving stress because of that he is doing. ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಮ್ಮನೇಲಿ ಯಾರು ಬೈಯೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಓದಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಹೊಡೆದಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್, ಕಿವಿ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅನ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ದೆನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಏನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀರು ಹೊಡೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೈ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಂದೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೀರು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಲೈಕ್ ದಸ್ he was telling. So everyone will think I am doing purposefully like that. He was not doing purposefully. And when they did his MRI brain, there was something called cortical dysplasia.